Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can pay your Amazon seller fees. So let's get right into it. Now, as you can see, I'll be using the Seller Central documentation for this because I cannot open up a seller account at the moment. So I am unable to pay any fees because I didn't sell anything and I'm not selling anything at the current moment. So I do hope you guys understand, but these steps outlined here are very simple and very easy to follow. So I do hope you guys will find this video useful. So what you're going to need to do to make a payment is you can make a payment with a credit card, which I'm pretty sure you can exclusively do this. I'm pretty sure you can't do any other method of payment. So to actually make a payment, it's going to be automatically deducted from your credit card that you have entered onto your account. And to add a credit card, you just need to go into settings, then go into account info from the seller account, then go into payment information and click change or charge methods. And then in the charge method box, click edit on the right side of said box, and then select or add a new card, and then you'll be able to make a payment. Now, I'm not sure if this is automatic or if you need to do it manually, but you can just add your card and then you can make your payments from there. You can actually go into the make a payment tab and you'll be able to make the payment from your credit card that you've added. So it's not automatic. Might be able to set it as automatic, I'm not sure. And other than that, you can make a partial payment, which you just need to select other amount and enter the amount you wish to pay. And then that should be pretty much it if you don't want to pay the full sum. And yeah, it's pretty much as easy as that. It is very, very simple to do, and I do recommend you go through this documentation if you have any other questions. But other than that, that is really all there is to it. There's really nothing else to mention. Do hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.